Welcome back to Skills to Income. I am your host Mohammed Altamash, and in today's episode, I am giving you the exact strategy I use to turn Instagram DMs into daily sales without paid ads or fancy funnels. If you've been getting replies to your stories, reels, or lives, but not seeing conversions, this episode is your fix. Let's dive in. Why DMs are underrated for digital sales? DMs are where trust lives. It's private, it's personal, and people are more open in the DMs than in comments. Most creators post content but never take the conversation forward. That's a missed opportunity. You don't need 10,000 followers, you need 5 real conversations a day. The 3 message script that converts. Here's the framework I use. Simple, friendly, zero pressure. Message 1. Start the conversation. This is based on something they interacted with. Example. Hey, name. Saw your reply to my story about launching a product. Are you working on something right now? The goal is to open up dialogue, not pitch immediately. Let them share. Message 2. Ask and identify. Once they reply, go deeper. Got it. So are you mainly stuck with planning, tech, creating, selling? Or do you have something already built or starting from scratch? This helps you match them to your offer without forcing it. Message 3. Offer the solution softly. Once you know their pain, gently introduce your product. This might help. I made a mini kit on this exact thing. It walks you through the setup in under 30 minutes. It's just 499 rupees, super beginner friendly. Want me to send you the link? Key phrases. Might help. Made this for someone in your shoes. Want me to send the link? Consent-based CTA. This keeps it chill, not salesy. What to sell? Via DM. Best products to sell through DM. Toolkits. Swipey files. Mini courses. Challenge access. Community entry via Tag Mango. Make sure. It's easy to explain in 2 to 3 sentences. You can deliver it instantly via Kit or Tag Mango. There's a clear transformation. And yes, 499 rupees offers convert like magic here. What if they say maybe later? That's fine. Respond. Totally cool. If you ever need help launching, just drop me a DM. I'll be around. Save them in a warm leads list. Follow up in 10-15 days with a free value post or win update. It's not about closing now, it's about planting seeds. What to post to trigger? DMs? Here are 3 daily prompts I use. 1. Polls. Do you want to build a product without showing your face? Options? Yes, need help. 2. This or that. Would you rather create a 499 rupees offer or a 5-day challenge? 3. Story CTA. DM me the word launch if you want my toolkit on starting from scratch. This makes people feel invited, not pitched. DM automation tip when you're ready. Once you're getting 5 to 10 DMs a day, consider using ManyChat or Mobile Monkey. These tools can auto-respond with product links, lead magnets, mini quizzes, but don't overdo it. Human first, automation second. Tools I use to close in the DMs. Here is my exact flow. Instagram stories to spark attention. ChatGPT to help write friendly responses. Kit for instant delivery of paid or free digital products. Tag Mango for community access or bonus modules. Canva to mock up product covers. CapCut to create reels that lead to DMs. Google Sheets to track warm leads. It's lean, it's powerful, and it works. Thanks for listening to episode 27 of Skills to Income. Now you know how to turn attention into income, one real conversation at a time. Screenshot this episode, post it on Instagram, and tag me. You can find the username is mentioned in the description. Next episode, I'll show you how I create high converting lead magnets in 1 hour using ChatGPT plus Canva, and how I connect it with Git to grow my email list daily. Until then, stay consistent, stay curious, and always choose freedom.